Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Kicks key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of the fob and press it. This will allow you to pull out the emergency key blade. Next, look for a small slot where the key blade was. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate easily. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the battery. Most Nissan Kicks key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Take note of its orientation before removing it. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Ensure it's seated firmly in its compartment to establish good contact. Now it's time to put your key fob back together. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components are in place before pressing them together. You should hear a satisfying click as they snap securely. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Give your key fob a quick test to ensure all buttons are working correctly. To keep your Nissan Kicks key fob working optimally, replace the battery every 2 to 3 years or when you notice reduced range. Always keep your key fob dry and away from extreme heat or cold. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the Simple Path to Wealth linked in the description, along with other great deals. Having a spare key fob programmed can also save you hassle in an emergency. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.